Check it out. This is my truck. It's pretty much almost done. You just got to do the flames, little touch-ups here and there, and that's about it. But it's, check it out. Cherry, clean. Clean as hell, man. Here's the door jambs. It's hella clean, look at that. Sweet. Yep. It's nice. Wait till it's finished. This is sweet. Here are the mirrors, so you can see all around. Nice candy green. Sweet. Smells pretty strong in here. But it's nice. Look at that. Clean baby. All around, look at that. More dust kicking up in here, so I'm about to leave. But this cherry is nice. Nice as fuck. Damn.